Back at the sawmill, guys. If you watch this video to the end, you'll see my niece and my wife giving me a hand in this video. My niece is a 24-year-old young lady, and we would greatly appreciate it if you would reach out and say hi in the comments to her. Tell her hello. Tell her she worked hard. Tell her she kicked some butt today. She's a fine young lady. She works really extremely hard, and she's a special gift to our family. So she's my niece. Her name's Nicole. So again, if you wouldn't mind, reach out to her. Just comment, tell her a great job, and you'd like to see her at the sawmill. Or she's been out here a couple times helping me over the last couple of years, and she really does enjoy it out here. With that being said, what we had, I believe we milled a sassafras. I can't remember if we milled a couple logs, a little pine, a sassafras, and some other log, I believe. So again, enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave Nicole, and my wife's in the video too. You can say hi to Jill too. Her name's Jill. But it'd be cool if you say hello to Nicole. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video. Take care. Have a good day. There's a log right that, see that 4x4 right on the ground there, Jill?
This big old, yep, the big post?
Yep, so put it right up there like that. Yep.
Make sure
it's there.
Okay. I just want to make sure it's centered. Pretty cool.
Oh, I just realized my mill's too far back. Let me slide her back a little bit. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got some assistants today. My lovely wife,
Jill. Nicole.
And Nicole. Jill and Nicole. They're going to help me. They're going to start peeling off the logs. Nicole's up for the weekend, and she's been a big help at the sawmill before, so she's going to help us out today. We're going to take this hemlock. This is my first piece of hemlock. It looks like I have, I think maybe that's a piece of cherry behind us. I'm not 100% sure. And then a piece of ash, and then a big white pine that I'm not going to do today. But these 3 logs I'm going to get done today. So here we go. All right, ladies, I'm going to get the mill fired up. All righty. I'll do the turning of the logs. I'll get my radio on. We'll call it the radio. All right, here we go, folks. Hang on. Okay, go ahead, pull it. Put it over there.
One more, Nicole, and then we gotta go in and
I gotta put the,
today.
go ahead and put that beam up. You know, that might be, this one might be a sassafras, I'm wondering.
Well, know when you cut it.
Yep. It looks, it could be, it looks like one.
You good with helping for one more? Yeah.
Okay. I mean, you gotta know where lumber comes from, right, Nicole?
We got
Man, hold your side. I'm gonna turn mine a little bit. There you go, okay. I like not having to have to use the tractor.
yeah. That's good.
Just pull that handle up. Yep, just lift that. Lift, 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 lift. There you go. It's a cam.
I didn't know how to unwind.
How was that, Nicole?
You want to do this one too? Yeah.
We're gonna load one, but we're not doing that one. Is it coming off again?
Nope, it's good.
Okay.
It was before it was
Right on.
I think Nicole's favorite wood was what? Sassafras? Yeah.
What's your favorite wood, Jill?
I like the sassafras.
That wasn't real big.
No, yeah. Stuff right there. I'll stop. Get all the worm.
Yeah, those from the emerald ash borers.
Is that how you know it was an ash because of this?
No.
Where?
Well, these you won't see the worms in here. They're dead now, but that's what killed these. They're under the bark, called the emerald ash borer. Guys, that'll do it. I did 3 logs, that pine, hemlock, and that little sassafras, and that smelled good. I wish you could smell it. So, my niece was a big help. Nicole, did you have fun?
Yeah,
What was your favorite part?
all of it.
What was your favorite tree that we cut log? What was the favorite?
Was it the sassafras or what? Which one was it?
Yeah,
Why was it the sassafras?
it smelled good.
It smelled like what?
Root beer.
It smells like root beer. She's not wrong. Thanks, ladies. You were a big help.
Welcome.
Mother-in-law's in the house, so we're going to all go in there and join her. So, you guys have a great day. We'll see you at the mill next time.
Have a good one.